Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and this video is part of our quick, easy, and elegant wedding jewelry series. And this one is super quick and super easy. So these are little necklaces that you can make that are really symbolic of love. So this might be good for even your flower girls or your bridesmaids perhaps, or even the bride. So we've got some hearts, and then we have a Claddagh, and then we have a little love scrolled out word. And so these are just fun. They're very petite. They're very delicate. They'll, of course, go with everything, and they're all sterling silver, so they're nice pieces that someone can wear time and again. So what you're going to need to make a necklace such as this is a necklace, and I've only pulled out 3 styles of chain. This is a 16-inch chain. Here's 2 18-inch chains. There's a lot more available at beadaholique.com that you can go check out. And then I have different sizes of hearts. And you see this wonderful little guy right here. And these come with jump rings, which is great. So you don't have to actually purchase another jump ring. And then this little one right here, which is the word. And I thought I'd put together this necklace because it's a little bit more work. It's not just opening a jump ring. So I'll show you a trick on how to quickly and easily make a necklace with that. And then I've got some little 3mm sterling jump rings as well. So the tools you're going to need. Now, if you're just hanging a charm on a necklace, you're just going to need 2 pairs of chain nose pliers because you need one to grip each side of that jump ring to open and close it. Now, if you want to do this little love necklace and you're going to do it the way that I'm going to show you using a pre-made chain, you're also just going to need a cutter. So I'm going to take this necklace right here, and here's a little trick. So if you want to use a pre-made necklace to hold something like this that has 2 loops on it, you just find the midway point. So right here, you pick it up and you cut it. So you just cut through one of the links. So now you still have your clasp attached, but now you've got 2 open ends. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead now and grab our chain nose pliers. I'm going to pick up a jump ring. And there's a little opening. These are open jump rings. There's a little slit, and you want that up top. And you're going to grip the jump ring on either side of that slit and twist it open. Now you're going to take one end of your chain that you just freshly cut. And look for that end chain link. And you're going to slip your jump ring through it. Now you're also going to slip on one of the little loops from that little link. Close it back up nice and tight. This is what we have so far. Okay. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to again grab a jump ring, find that little opening. You want that right up top. Twist it open. Now in this case, I'm going to put the little link on there first. And then I'm going to go. It can be a little tricky just to isolate that one little chain link. Get it through it. There we go. And close it on up good and tight. And there's just that gentle twisting motion. But this is now what we have. And this really is a necklace that you can wear time and again, not just for a wedding, which is always nice if you're thinking of your bridesmaids. You want them to be able to reuse whatever it is, whether it's their dress or their jewelry. It's also a really nice gift item too. So that's something fun to think about. So that's how you would do it if you've got the 2 loops. Of course, if you just have a single loop, all you would need to do is open and close the jump ring that comes with it and slip it on. So that's really easy to do as well. If you enjoyed this video, please do check out our other ones in this series. We do have projects showing beautiful sparkling earrings, Swarovski crystals, a whole bunch of fun things that you can make for your wedding that just add that extra special touch, especially if you do want to have a bit of a DIY handmade wedding. It's always fun to be able to create your own jewelry. Everything you see here is available at beadaholique.com along with those other videos I just mentioned.